That's a long distance to hit something.
Oh, you blew apart the
You're shooting really low there.
Okay. Yeah, I thought I was shooting high. All right.
You're going for the right target, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh well.
Oh, it was.
Comes in good. Probably.
Yeah. As long as there's enough left on for the rifle range. Damn, that's dead on.